Your VirtuClean kit will come with a filter that needs to be inserted into the sanitizing bag before use. On the top of the VirtuClean bag you will notice a hole approximately 1 inch in diameter. This is where you will insert the filter. First, unzip the VirtuClean bag. Hold the filter by the top and begin to insert the filter. Use your hand to provide support against the pressure you will apply while inserting the filter. The fit is snug, so it may require a twisting motion as you apply pressure. Push the filter in until it stops. Your VirtuClean sanitizing bag is now ready for use.